Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 29. If we start with this box, we're missing 5, 6, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 5, 6, 8. 5 and 9 here, so 6, 8. 5 and 6 here, so 8, 9. Just the 8 here, so 5, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 2, 6. Same here, 1, 2, 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so 1, 3. 1 and 2 here, so 3, 6. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 9. We've got 6, 9, and 3 here, so this is our 2. That means this is our 3. But I don't see any other help, so 6, 9, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9, and I don't see any help, so 1, 9, 1, 9. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 3, 9. 3 here, so 1, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 6 here. I don't see any other help, so 3, 5, 9. We've got a 5 here with that 6, so 3, 9. For this column, we're missing 4, 6, 8, and 9. No help here. 4, 6, 8, 9. 6 and 8 here, so 4, 9. And no help here. 4, 6, 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 9. We've got the 3 and 7 here, so 6, 9, 6, 9. 6 here, so 3, 7, 9. 3 here, so 6, 7, 9. But now if we look at that column, the only place the 3 can be is here. And that means the only place the 7 can be is here. That 3 makes this our 9. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9, and this 9. That means now the only place in this column that the 9 can be is here. And now the only place the 8 can be is here. With that 9, we can get rid of this 9. Oh, that 9 makes this our 6, 9. That 6 makes this our 5. With this 6 and 9, we can get rid of this 6 and 9. That 5 makes this our 3, 1, 3, 6. That 6 makes this our 9, 6. That 9 makes this our 4. Let's do some more cleanup here. With this 5, we can get rid of this 5. With this 4 and 9, we can get rid of this 4. Oh, that means the only thing that can be here is our 8. Which then means for that column, this is our 6. With this 6, we can get rid of this 6 and this 6. All right, so now if we look at this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got 4 and 7 here, so this is our 5. 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got the 8 here, so 9, 8. Oh, and this 8 makes this our 6, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 2 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this top row now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 1. 4 here, so 8, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got a little bit of help, but not enough. So 3 here, so 7, 9. 7 here, so 3, 9. And no help here, so 3, 7, 9. For this row now, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got a 7 here, so 8, 7. That 7 makes this our 9, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 1 and 2, and I don't see any help yet. So 1, 2. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 9. We've got 1 and 2 here, so 3, 9. 3 here, so 1, 2, 9. And this column, we're just missing a 1. So now if we look here, we've got this 1 here, which makes this our 9, 1. That 9 makes this our 3. This 1 makes this our 2. That makes this our 9. And that 2 makes this our 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.